All right, guys, welcome to week 4 of the chaos. As you can see, the entire airport has been moved to its new location. More on this in future updates, but just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. Obviously, we're still building out the runway and everything else. Quite a bit of broken parts and clutter. So anyway, still getting through all of it. We'll do a full airport update video in the future, but I did want to point out that we've already added a new section over here with new gate. So that's going in. So as you can see, the airport has definitely expanded from what it used to be. So with the airport moving over here, obviously this whole new area was built out from the last time that you guys saw the city, and we have been hard at work. It is very cluttered right now because again, we're just kind of out of space. So we're just storing everything on the table for now. But basically a huge runway is gonna go in over here. Airport will be right here, and then it's gonna connect to the city through all the tables over here. So if you're looking at it, we're gonna have to rebuild the entire beach, unfortunately, but also kind of fortunately because it's gonna be really cool when it's all done. But basically, there's gonna be like a little cut through estuary over here with jetty. And then we're gonna build a new bridge connecting to the new area. And then over here, it's kind of hard to tell, but we're gonna be laying out a new road area with kind of beach town that connects to the airport area. So obviously still a ton of work to be done over here, but the main downtown core is coming together despite all the clutter. As you can see, a lot of the skyscrapers have been placed and a lot of the road work, even though it's covered up right now, is complete. So we're definitely making a lot of progress, which we're super excited about. Obviously the beach hotel is probably gonna move, but we may end up keeping kind of the amusement park area down this way near kind of the South Beach end, because I think it could be a really cool integration to tie it all together with maybe like a park up front. And then in the back, the hospital, we still need the extension. All the parts came in, so we just gotta build it. But basically that's gonna go right there. Outside of that, there's a little bit of road work still to be done in the back pockets. And then we need to design new buildings for right here. We're probably gonna do kind of mid-rise, so you can still see the skyscrapers in the back, but basically probably more hotels that'll go right here. The biggest update of this week has actually been getting organized, even though it may not seem like it. So here is the new parts room. And this is just one section of the parts area, which I'll touch more on in a second. But basically we have organized and reorganized everything by color and by part. So what we did was we cut big base plates, and we actually used this adhesive that we got on Amazon to tape it basically to the top of each section. So it shows you which part corresponds to each column. And then from there, it is organized by color. And that's for everything. So this is basically what we've been working on for the last week to try and get organized so we can start putting the city back together and get all the clutter put away. But as you can see, everything is organized by part, which is super cool. And it makes it really easy to go find the exact part you need. Everything's put away by color and by part. On this side is where we have all of our go back parts, which still need to be sorted. They're all sorted by color already, but they just need to be broken down into the exact parts. And then over here, we have some spillover sets that we still need to either part out or build, and some other stuff we got to get through. But basically all just storage for now. We've also been working on reorganizing the IKEA Alex drawers. So more on that in the future. I don't really have anything to show right now, but that's all been being worked on this week. And then also this mess, which is where the airport used to be, and it's now going to be our new area. You can still see some remnants of the airport kind of over here, but basically we have now bulk storage down below, and up here is going to be the new area, which I'm super excited about. And then lastly, over here is the continuation of the part wall. As you can see, we're still following that same organization where we basically have the part up top, and then we're filling in the drawers. And as you can see, there's still quite a ways to go. What's cool about this shelf is it's on wheels, so it actually spins around so you can access both sides. And over here, we're probably gonna store all of our base plates. We've got actual plates and then some colors like this old dark gray that we gotta figure out what we wanna do with. So the theme of last week and this week going forward is definitely gonna be getting organized. As you can see, there's still a lot to put away, but we're definitely making progress even though it may not look like it. So more to come soon, but I'm really excited to hopefully get this all free of clutter and start putting the beach back together and everything looking really good. Miss AFL TV has been a huge help. So hopefully in the next week or two, you'll actually see the city kind of start to take shape and really get back to what it used to be, but even better. But that's it for today. Hope you guys like the direction the new airport's going. It's going to be exciting to have a proper runway in the future. Can't wait to show you guys the next city update. We did just hit 100K on TikTok, which is super exciting. So make sure you check us out over there if you haven't already, and make sure you're subscribed for future updates. But that's it for today. See you next time.